Sup, yo? Another 24-hour trades. Um, Woke up a little bit late today, but do have a bit of analysis on here for what I see price doing. Um, so let's jump right into this. So starting off, today is actually Tuesday. Um, Looks like we have CB consumer confidence. Financial confidence leading indicators, consumer spending with accounts of major overall economic activity. So that's at 7. It's other news, just yellow folders at 6 a.m. So nothing too crazy. It looks like for news today. But we also have, this is kind of what price is hanging out at. So this is on the 30. Let me bump up to like the hourly. So we've had like huge crash, day after day after day after day. So yesterday we had some crazy movement. So you can see we had a huge wick yesterday. We might have some continuation downward to possibly go through like halfway through the wick, or we might continue up. Right now we're just waiting to see what might happen. We do have like a bit of a downtrend. Well, actually, major downtrend going on right now. But for the hourly, we have another minor one going on. Price is kind of like in an ugly zone right now, so it's kind of hard to see what exactly price is doing. Um, so I came down onto like lower time frames. Um, I have a couple zones drawn up for where I think price might break through. And where's like good zones to be looking for like buying or selling opportunities. Um, on lower time frames, it's kind of hard to see uh, what exactly is what would be like a good selling opportunity. Um, just because uh, price is just moving so weird right now, so there's not really a whole lot of what's the word I'm looking for? We could get some continuation down, possibly 100 points down to resistance area or support area. But yeah, we have a little bit of an upward trend going on right now. We're kind of waiting for price to break out of that if we were going to be looking at taking some sells. Right now we are at 628. Today I'm going to try and be like a little bit more patient with my entries. So if we get a break, then we'd be looking for a break, and also, hold on real quick. If we get a break, then we're looking for a break, a close, and then hopefully another candle to follow that up. Let's see what time it is. 6:28 still. So looks like we might potentially have some sells, like if we break below this trend, and then the support area, and then have some continuation down to a more higher time frame support area. But otherwise, if we continue to mess around and then reject out of that, so yeah, we're breaking through pre-market. So yeah, we'll see what price does. Trying to be patient this morning. Like I said, looks like we might come up, retest, and then fall down. If we get buys to, I'm gonna wait for. Looks like price is falling. still not looking for those entries though. And boom, we're in. Okay. We entered at 30. Cool. Yeah, the only thing is our terminal is really fucking slow this morning. So we actually got kind of fucking bit there. Which is kind of annoying. But anyways, yeah, so I don't even think we had any drawdown there. Let's see what price would have done. Yeah, so wow. Yeah, I mean that was a good trade setup there. Again, that was still I was still being patient. I'd say with my I was being very patient with my entries still, because normally, you know, when I would have a break like that, I would just kind of let price, jump in there. But what I've, what I've noticed over the last um I don't know, couple, like the last few weeks, um what I've noticed is that price is what happens on the losses, is what will happen is like I'll enter on the candle break or what I think is gonna be break and try to have like an impulsive entry, and then I'll get stopped out um, on something like that, um, on like the following candle. So what I decided to do is like most of my wins, or my wins were, I waited for price to break through. Hold on, let me try and pull this up real quick so I can show you. Epic pen. So basically what I would do is, I would try to wait for price to break through right here on my wins. And then I would wait for this next candle to develop. If it continues to go down, then maybe I take an entry. Um, but majority of the time, what I would do is I'll wait for like a little bit of a pullback. And if I don't get a pullback, you can see like one of my wins. I waited, actually price had to move like 200 points before I ever even took an entry. Um, so that being said, like most of my other trades, like I'll enter like right here, or let's say price started breaking through, and I would wait, and then I would enter price like right here, and in that same wick, maybe get stopped out or something like this candle right here would happen. This bullish candle would just come up and just like stop me out. So we just want to be like a little bit more patient with our entries, so um, that way we can kind of see how like each trade is developing, um, so we don't get screwed over. But anyways, that was actually a really quick session. This is probably like one of my quickest videos of like just straight recording. So yeah, good stuff, and yeah, we'll come back for another day. Anyways, this has been 24-hour trades. Appreciate y'all for watching. Uh, hopefully you took something out of this, and hopefully y'all took some profits today as well. Peace and love.